Yeah. 76 millimeter dot matrix. You can
Dot matrix.
you can see
Ah.
the print. It is
Dot
different.
matrix printer, successful dot matrix printer is not there
it is not.
in India. I check all Indian markets.
Yeah.
I brought a lot of printers from market. I am not giving you the name, brand name, but the dot matrix small printers, big failure. But this is 3 inch, right? 3 inch.
Yeah.
You have 4 inch?
4 inch.
No, 3 inch only. This is
Mostly.
here. You cannot see this. This is the dot matrix mechanism is here. Here. There is no direct thermal transfer. This is dot matrix mechanism.
You need to use the
Yeah. Because dot matrix, what is the advantages? If you print after 2 years, 3 years, no problem.
Yes.
It will be there. The printout will not vanish. But in that printers, direct thermal,
will disappear.
after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, finish.
Yes. This model has the auto
Yeah.
cover.
Here.
Yeah.
This is also kiosk,
yes.
4 inch or 3 inch?
Yes. See?
3 inch.
我的笔跟纸去哪里了？刚刚。
3 inch. MP801C,
讲完了。
and this is also kiosk. You see,
我给你拿着，
like
拿一下我的柱子已经来了，可以时间比他冷。你帮我拿着手机这个镜子，因为它
3 inch.
还要有一些价格，我怕我等一下忘记了。You can print this
This level, see?
label.
Which printer?
Yeah.
This printer? Oh, really? How to open this one?
Yes.
Where is the paper roll? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. See this one? Here you can print it like that. Oh, okay.
You can print the
Yeah, got it.
continual paper.
You can fix it like that.
Yeah,
See?
yes.
Directly. Okay. We can collect with the mobile, this one?
Yeah, mobile.
This is
Print the
model number
12
HP2. HP2. Wow, it's beautiful. See this printing? See this one directly? Let me show you some other things. Yeah, you see? See, like this you can print it here, see? Example. This all coming in from this printer, right?
Yes.
This printer also similar.
Yes, similar. They are different.
A mobile connectivity is there, mobile application to print this one. How to open? Here. See this one, how the paper is there? It's very easy to
To
print.
roll in and print. After you print it, you can
Yeah, just
use. Okay.
cutting. Oh, cutter, yes.
Yes.
Means once we print it, automatically the paper will come out, right?
Yeah.
Like that. Like that. Once you push this one, push it, cutting.
Yes. Yes.
So all this model is same, right?
This is receipt.
This is only receipt.
Yeah, receipt.
Small receipt printer. How to open?
Yeah.
Like this. See? 2 inch small receipt printer. Beautiful. See? Thermal head is there. Great. This is also receipt.
Yeah, same. They are different.
Same. For here we can this one from this printer. This one, this level.
Not this no, this for this just for sample something.
For example, if you want to print like that, if you want to print like this,
Yes, this one is.
there's so many things. Only direct stickers.
Mostly it is.
Mostly this one. This
one.
This one available in India.
We plan to promote this model, but It seems not very popular in India.
Not very popular, but for normal
It's
people,
for-
for making small tag like that,
Yeah.
this printer is okay.
Yeah.
It's very cheap, I think.
Yeah.
Approximately how much, this price?
This price no more than $20.
Less than $20.
Yeah, less.
Yeah, less than $20 means 1,000, 2,000 rupees. And the software?
We have the software,
Software
the,
also.
the application.
Okay. It's good. And see this one?
Yes.
This all came from this printer. Great. That's all,
How about the 4-inch? The A4 portable printer.
This is this model.
This model. How about this one?
This is a printer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the printer. But it seems
It's very small printer.
yeah.
Paper roll, we can keep it inside.
Yes. And
Like
this
this is 4-inch. No, A4 size.
Yeah, A4 size.
See the roll paper, you can keep it inside.
And this model
this.
is direct.
Direct thermal.
Yeah. No need the ribbon.
No need ink, no need ribbon, nothing.
This one need the ribbon to print.
Ah, really? This one is very good, huh? This model number XP-P81. If you want to travel,
Yeah.
like this, Bluetooth connectivity is there.
Yeah, Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, from the Bluetooth you can print. There is a USB connectivity also is there.
Yes.
And battery is inside, right? The battery.
Yeah.
No need extra power supply, right?
Yeah.
Just when you are traveling some foreign trip, you want to make some printouts, keep this with you. You can keep this one in your bag, so that anywhere, if you are an example business person, you need to make a printout somewhere, you can use it. This one
So the A4
Push.
size.
A4 size.
The ribbon.
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 Need to replace? Okay. But in the ribbon is the downside. How to replace the ribbon? We can push like that. Okay. Completely we can remove this one, see? See. You are providing this ribbon also?
Pardon?
You are providing this ribbon as well?
Yes.
See, this is the ribbon. This is a thermal head, right?
Yeah.
The long thermal head.
Yes.
And we will keep the so what is the advantages on this? Normal paper you can print, right? Normal A4 sheet.
Mostly it is this. this
Normal A4 sheet without thermal means there is no carbon paper is not required. Normal A4 paper you can feed like that, right?
Yes.
So it will come here.
Come here.
Very good. This is model number XP-T81. This one also is very good, but the differences between these two, this one after maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, it will vanish. It will disappear, this printer, right? Because it is direct thermal.
This one no
Direct
need the
thermal.
ribbon.
This is a thermal transfer. That means the print quality is long lasting. This is the speciality. Here,
Yeah, also the A4 size. It is different.
a ribbon with ribbon, thermal transfer, right?
Yeah.
It is little big size. A4 size without ribbon, direct thermal. This is direct thermal.
It can use the intelligent connect the intelligent application. It will come if have the sound will come out. We connect.
How we can connect? This model XP-D81.
It,
This model is both are same. D81. This is D81. This is D81.
there are some QR code to you can scan it and they will. This one it is scan it. It will show you how to use it.
Okay, just to scan it and connect it.
Yes, and this one it is to scan it to download the application.
Okay.
And this one it is for download the application with the sound.
Okay. This one battery is inside.
Yeah.
Inside the battery. No, power supply is additional. Here the power supply we need to connect full-time power supply. But here
The built-in the battery.
inside the battery is there. You can charge it
Yes.
with a USB.